The trend in mining is moving towards the efficient and safe exploration of raw materials at very great depths. To excavate deep line shafts up to 1,000 meters in different rock formations, Herrenknecht has developed the innovative Shaft Boring Roedhcader, SBR. The machine concept is based on two field-proven Herrenknecht technologies: the vertical shaft sinking machine, VSM, for the bottom part, and an adaptation of classical hard rock TBM for the working decks. This allows for high sinking rates with maximum safety for personnel and shaft structure. The SBR has been completely designed, developed, and fully assembled in Germany. The first two shaft boring roadheaders were built for operation in the province of Saskatchewan in Canada. They are used to excavate two deep line shafts, each with a planned depth of 1,000 meters for the Janssen project, operated by BHP Billiton. In the future, the mine will potentially be the world's biggest potash mine, with a lifetime of about 70 years. As safety is one of the core values of BHP Billiton, the mechanized shaft boring roadheader has been chosen to ensure the highest level of safety during shaft construction. To pass through the aquifer, the geology is frozen up to 700 meters. This will create a giant frozen seal with a stable geology. The complete system is suspended by ropes connected to shaft winches at the surface and lowered according to the sinking rates. At the shaft bottom, a specially designed cutting drum loosens the rock. The fully automated excavation sequence allows an excavation without disturbing the surrounding geology and with almost zero overbreak. The cutting process follows a star pattern. The soft and medium rock is excavated with standard tools. The flexibility of the boom allows an adaptation of the shaft diameter in regards to the geology. During the regular excavation, no personnel are required to access or work in the excavation chamber. This improves personnel safety tremendously. A shield separates the excavation chamber from the work decks. It stabilizes and guides the SBR during the entire excavation process. The shotcrete and rock bolts needed to secure the shaft wall are transported onto the SBR with the hoist kibble. The shaft is secured by the operators on the shotcrete deck with a semi-automatic robot. The cutting drum at the end of the cutting boom feeds the pneumatic mucking system, a system using a high airflow for conveying the chips out of the excavation chamber. The excavated material is sucked from the shaft bottom through a vertical pipe over a distance of 20 meters. It's discharged into two suction tanks, which are filled independently, one after the other. A blower system located behind the bunkers sucks the air from the shaft bottom through the suction tanks. Before discharging the air back into the shaft environment, it's cleaned by filters. As soon as the suction tank is full, it will be unloaded into a muck kibble waiting in front of the discharge gate. The two muck kibbles used for the removal of the excavated rock are pulled to the surface and discharged in an alternating sequence. The access for personnel and material on the SBR is done in the same way as muck transport. The two hoist kibbles are separately controlled. Each hoist driver is connected with the SBR via an optic fiber. The kibble position is given in the SBR by sensors placed on the main stations. The logistics on the SBR are fully controlled to achieve optimum safety. All other installations necessary for the operation of the complete system are located on the different working decks. With the SBR, Herrenknecht has developed a new generation of shaft sinking machine to ensure maximum safety for the excavation of deep blind shafts. SBR, a new technology for shaft sinking operations.